Welcome to our new video. This time we'll show you 15 Windows shortcuts that will make your life easier. First is Ctrl plus Window plus O. This will open up a virtual keyboard on your desktop. You can type on it using your mouse. Second is Window plus V. It will open up a clipboard. Here, you can see all recently copied items. It shows up to 10 copied text and even images. And to paste it, simply click on the text. Third is Window plus Shift plus S. This is for taking screenshots. With the help of a mouse, select the specific area on the screen and that's it. The screenshot will be automatically saved on the clipboard. Fourth is Window plus D. It is for directly jumping to the desktop screen. Use it again to go back to the same screen again. Fifth is Ctrl plus T. It works in browsers to open a new tab in the browser. For incognito or private window, use Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Sixth is Alt plus Tab. Use this to toggle between the various software or windows currently open in your computer. Next is the Ctrl plus Tab. Use this to jump to the next tab on the right in your browser. Press Ctrl plus Tab again and again to reach your tab. Next is Window plus E. It will open up the File Explorer, or as you know it, My Computer. Next is Window plus R. It will open up the Run dialog. From here, you can open any file or folder, software, by just typing the name. Next is Window plus I. This will open the Settings menu. Here, you can check profile details and all other system settings. Next is Alt plus F4. It is used to close the current opened window. You can also use it to open the shutdown box if there's no tab open. Next is Window plus comma. You need to keep holding it and you will be able to see your desktop screen. Next is Ctrl plus A. It is used for selecting all the text and images displayed on the screen. Next is the Window plus right arrow or left arrow. It will place the tab on the right side of the screen. You can use the other half to open another tab. Next is F2. Use this to instantly change the name of any file. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.